trust you. It's not trust somebody who can you can send him the you or say no. So the point I'm making is, unless we work on trust, what is the problem? Chivas Chichi County, on your Mwangire which use 15%, Rakimota which you can 25. Arangeli to it 2/3 majority, which you use 15, which you get 25, was 30. Achateve, Puna have been saying, PFM Act, Yamachika, Yakoran, Chivas Chichi County, on speaker, that's why Chivas Chikurio. We must fix that. Why? But I know you fix. Because Chivas Chikuru Chichi County, Chivamanaji Chivas Chivati Tomoji, Siwachi. That is how we are losing this country. Even if in total Yakundi. Inkitogo Tuarera, right now, a president of the Republic of Kenya, he is the one who got a consolidated fund. Yani, a account here, or say on CP, Montoya Mugo president. Before, Treasury, Central Bank played a role, and the National Assembly. Inkimutai could vast interview. Right now, Otogo Savachives 24/7, you togo Savama Denny everywhere. Chives a chiwe can chill Chiaso Kunandi Chiachu used to Cayman Island, Dubai, Kiang, Yakundi. Why can't we change the law and say from now on, if the government wants to borrow money, we are asking you, you go to the National Assembly, go to the Senate, and seek permission. Bonaiga, Kenya Takikoenda into SSA. Before, the president had to ask the National Assembly and the Senate. Again, they say, right now, look at Yavana, and yet we are not even having an inquest. We are not even having an inquiry. These are things to when to fix so that TNC and to so that to skumutui. What are they doing? They are acting as if Avana Ribe Tetoka. In fact, the Bubara Chinga and again they go to one. So Yakundi, what do you want me to call out to go? I mean, they go
Nyakundi tells Senator to stop the fight with the Governor Arati upon oversight. No way Mogetutu will be elected as governor, yet Ongwa was the other day. He timed Niamuvasi. I will vote for Senator Onyonka as a senator because he deserves it and he is fit for the post. Bob Kurovasi.
Thank you. You cannot say I am fit for one job and I'm not fit for another.
The clan factor.
The clan factor doesn't work. We gave away, I insisted in we did not want, all right? Negotiated democracy only works with your Montolioko negotiate in Erevinto. We went to go Korwa, Mwanchera no Bikora, then you move ahead. If the person does not own up, even to Vimuasa, then he has no business with me. My argument is very simple. In Kigachagwa and William Ruto, there were things which they agreed on they were supposed to do. Then he turned around and he went 360. William decided to go. I said, story. So my argument is, my brother, you weigh your sentiments very well, but I'll discourage you from that argument. Don't punish me for being good. Reward me for being good. Don't punish me because I'm not from your clan. Don't punish me because I'm not from your tribe. That is the argument we have in this republic. We are trying to punish Matiang'i for president because he's from a small clan or from a small community. That's nonsense. If I'm good, I'm good. Ngarivaga ngokolelasi. Lakini tubazo ndenge singe njundu eta sigete ngayoto kongega asikia kana yagete na gambe.
Lakini kwa ringe engineer ya mangana ya yoko hibirugo negotiated.
I believed that my governor would have delivered on the promises we made. He changed. Politicians change. Especially bad politicians change.
So you're likely to change too.
No, I can't change because I'm a good politician. Look at my history. Yakundi, count all my hospitals, tea-buying centers, tea-bridge, taracha. Look at my schools. Look at my secondary schools. Look at the technical vocational training school. Now, I got that CDF with 36 million. You can tell him what you call it, and you can tell him what them there was again get
0724256504. Okay. 0724256504.
Usebandama. Nyakundi ominto.
No,
but the point I want to make in Nyakundi neya, all these evirogo tokuna, and I want to mention here very clearly, there is absolutely no purpose why I'm going to use the role. It is simply because I think I can serve better. That is all. I am not going there to be rich. I'm not going there to look, because onyendrina alotene Nyakundi angawona thenenge. Maita abantu mbali nyasako achibese na abantu mbali nyasako bugambi. Mbaro wako chibugambi kuli chibesa na mbaro bugambi kuchikokonya abantu. Ono nje bonde zigurubwili etaliko tenenka lakini ekokonya abantu na nyasao ondi wadi Nyakundi maita kali atakanenga piki. Bono na bondo zinamba zikisi out of 8.
When you don't speak the presidential candidate,
yes,
is asking here, then you don't seem one from the same script.
When we don't do what?
Nani challenged us the other day, former deputy president.
Yes.
But there is no way Mogotala presidential candidate, then by Muko support Yabanyana Murukuana, even an to push him.
The position the position I've taken is very simple. Abantu walibata which what is Fred Arwan every position is which cover and considered, and most parts to arena I mean over presidency when say we are there, we are pronouncing ourselves. But all who are not supporting him. And Nyakundi, this is what I've said. You will never get 100% support on any political matter. You won't go in all. Because human beings, not because I'm a bad guy. Because that is how human beings do it. So I have to do things and maybe encourage some people and persuade them and whatever. What we are saying is very simple. We are asking our brothers, what their responsibility. We are asking our teachers, we are asking our nurses and doctors, community health workers, and the ones who see a talk over Savanga 91 Igaminto. Check your stage 92 mesa. Togende naliyekera tokwenda ku negotiate ekera abantu bande bako wangu kwaiwamba baka 15,000 region ya mu bako likabali mu bako na intuka tukwanyora tu negotiate rino nyentiri kera baskali bako likuna abantu bejeshi na intutu negotiate gose ka Moscow agantakana akamuka husi ngache kuisana kabo muntu teneta majeshi ya Kenya after 60 years. Bona yana I think I was told the other day we have got one brigadier. Kuruenga kia Magonga, Kuruenga kia Nyakundi, to a brigadier for the last 48 years. And yet, Ntokonyora, a chief of general staff. Even if you into Tokoboli, Ototagate into a Karomo who see into Vicobawa. Quanjora into Notre Mesa.
What if?
Yes.
As a politician, you know, what if you miss out on what you're looking for?
If we miss out, there are always alternatives. We are realistic. We are very realistic. We want the presidency. We will persuade Kenyans for that presidency. Na anda usiba mintoka kinko ba everia wana wa mintona wange na wa akomala busiko. Inubono mugusia devetenga monumuya orusu ngombe serere. And to inyole bantu bamo nyama ya chirili no. We must make sure that yenge inju tokolgerio mumroyo mintu chukura twesike mazakanya woromonda agete gribuga yoda oma etentwe oyomondo tayo to bugambi bwense they can go to hell after all na ande naona wengi tole Matiang'i rumsate no. We want to persuade our Kenya wakonyo woromondo kuna baba ege amate tukurumate wakonyo baba Matiang'i yomino na chanyale gabol kuna mudawa kera kwa matenga no mbura ninu no muri kati ninu inu mugo elieteli no Matiang'i ndizo sound vinekere ate anko ya no mogere no mogere
naki message kieko soka iskaria we elected leaders na watakere ko lead this Somalia.
Yes.
But kwanyoranga almost half of the team so that we have that national communication is not there.
Yes. Yandoli yalijikura jausi every time. Abunge mbali ngabakwirana. Every time abamzi mbali ngabakwirana. It means they are away from what the public expectation is.
Okay.
And if I'll tell you because of my experience. If our people wali mokuli gichukura moraro unegocha njendo chembiye kuya. Ekiagera aro.
Are you saying about the support to Fred Matiang'i? But go to
no gaenda so ti to support William. Why would you kura? No gaenda lore ti to support ya kura. No gaenda. No gaenda Kisumu liraira go the no presidency ando mutenga Raila Musa. Ora na intu ngendo ko danya kundi to kuhimeria. Na intu tutagete abana bali bamintu bande barabe side ende steering ko nyakuba welcome to lenga ki ya aye madam aye brother aye cousin intu nyakwa every endegeneka mo. If you feel that nonyale wocha to konyo mwana we mito fine, but if you are not able ko chana intu tutagete sege amongst abantu baitu. That is why ngoja kwa value mheshimiwa Soro na Jafo na brothers, please inuto ye president tebanumya obakonyire, lakini don't attack our brother because it looks bad. Isikari yesi nyumba chisiko otokuchaju.
Honorable Richard Onyonka, you are a seasoned politician with your thought. What is your thought about these many parties from Kisii claiming to support Fred Matiang'i but sponsoring candidates in their parties? The party strength depends on the number of elected members by that party.
Thank you.
This applies even in parliament.
We are going to sit down. A presidential candidate will make that call. Yakundi. Tinta kitiko announce because Fred is a candidate and he has got a team. He got advice and but the truth is this: most probably in Kisii we only need Chipati. Yeah. Mo Elio Monto or the popular or Colero nomination Aganyora, Kavere, Montolio number 2 of everything Agave rigged. If there's anything like that, I throw. But otherwise, Chipati 15, 20, 30, as far as I'm concerned, we will persuade them Vatokonya, go afraid Chukura, and to persuade Vaiche, Tomunetimuemo, but I will not discourage the Munga Nava Vikiamo, Baranavara Umbaroje, Yakundi. I was your mind that Mbuleko, are you with me? Yama research Yama Tribuch child. Yaitra Yamanya Waka Womu, Yatoka Mutichimadi. I talk about
My worry is what's happening between senator and governor. It looks like a fight. It's not about development.
Yes.
Why are we feeling like they are fighting about the county share?
Let me ask you, what are we fighting about? Nothing. Kesa Simba governor nanya kumusabandi kironde. Kesa Simba governor contrary to every individual kukwana omaete ngava severely. I can tell you Nyakundi, there is no leader. Obwato bongo boleti mamu nande buisaini okonya bochori abagambi bande nakabuwati besa nambaisa kende. Talk about issues. It means issues in Geo Montara are criticized because I'm doing an excellent job. The warm people must understand this. A disagreement, sorry, I changed that statement. It's not a war. The disagreement to Buate is purely, I feel that the county government of Kisii is not being managed well. Now, if I dig that is why I'm saying again, I have no personal one as Simba. Simba, I shake his hand. We even hug. But I've sat with him and I've told him, bro, I tell you your best, you do. As I've said, if you find that your performance is very good, the voters will tell you so. Democracy because I might even vote for Ondari governor. A position very simple. Let everybody governor as a ground. I mean, I don't know why Nyakundi people think that I'm the one. I endorsed Ondari because I work with him, I respect him, no Montonsigete. Are you getting me? But my position is very simple. We are going to Ekarowa Komopire team, what are the good players? I'm there. Njengwaga number 6, a striker baba. Ondari atokumwa number 3 was a number 9. Tumenya tumwaka machogo tumaya onye number 12. Tumenya upanga. No 11 no manye tumene wako. We are a team.
Where are we?
Yagiyokororeka na wako miri.
No,
yes.
Maswanaenda to chaiga mange.
No, I know. I know Nyakundi.
The issue, what is the issue of clan, you've addressed it. Yes. The issue about Korosia team. Are you saying,
yes.
Somebody's asking Yangaki, without mentioning names,
yes.
But Monase team Matiang'i, whether you perform or not, you'll be elected?
Absolutely not. We are going to ask our 90. That is why, under normal democracy, we are going to ask abantu bachora abantu bakolega sinyo mo MCO delivery rewarding. Onye no mo MP okolera an excellent job. Don't fight somebody unnecessarily. Tell him thank you. Onye omuntu igire stage whereby he has performed, give him. Talinga to kubolia abantu emisigo na because one or two ate euphoria tokogenda abantu no. We are going, and this is the position you are Fred. For Fred Gutwara, abantu bago chukova in government and county government, we have to get abantu what integrity, minimum corruption if known, make abantu what honesty, abantu what decency, abantu what human face. But it will solve the problem you will see. Yeah.
But Rigathi is already supporting Kalonzo's candidature. I feel like most of these candidates want to use Fred for their own political gain.
Negative. Gachagua will say certain things. Every interview, bitiganya kubikuwa na mbiyari. Gazinera watokole. Kalonzo Musyoka, I've also said this. We have no problem. No mugaka Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, Natembea, Oyonde Fred Yominto Noale, Wamunyoro Munyene Noale, etimu yatokorosi has nothing to do with Ingayagete on Nero Chukura. No. We want the numbers to be organized properly. Tosikanena bagwana balibande, ngwe panga tole. So utaganya kuyamase. Ebi ndombere yakuna abate bibinde gati ngokwana.
Ndora aro cousins.
Brothers. Cousin tole. Okay. Cousin. Aya bundi ndore cousin. Ndore cousin.
Okay.
Aya ndinari ntago tebi. Ama kongsan. Na nenda idori gerelie epati tuja kuboka. Oanzo waka jisabu kia 2+2.
Okay. 0724256504 Egesa FM nguva ya mwetinge. Okay, I think you've raised this issue about the fights.
Yes.
We have addressed it enough.
Yes.
So I think you.
No, I've said. You see, how many times did Mheshimiwa James Ongwae na Mange disagree? Many times. But they used to look backward. But if you are not able to speak to your people who helped you win the elections and you are saying how they're useless and all of them are pathetic, then let's go to.
Good morning, greetings to Senator Onyonka. Kindly ask him to advise Dr. Fred Matiang'i to amend fences with Kisii brothers and sisters. He stepped on their toes or plan for them to be sacked when he was CS. Several of them will be treated as CS.
I have heard that argument. I have listened to it. There are some people who say genuinely, others feel that more deeper, that more tribal, because that is what everybody else does. My position is very simple. We have been having meetings with Fred, and anybody and everybody otagete go join Matiang'i. It's a presidential campaign. You're welcome. If you are man enough or woman enough, get watch it campaign team with you. Onye funa baona tiango ya kundi. Ode kelenga nguli yorobo. Ogawan. Na injente keleuna na declare. Itura bantu ba Matiang'i. We will not agree nga kitoji wikahando. Toenda nomination muna basani. Abantu batenya kundi haye no muyole tiko muima wona taye usenyi muima yembu yocha tenya kundi umita tenya kundi to kulikigendo uchimuina gwe manager you finish. So my argument is very simple, Nyakundi. We are not positioning ourselves. In fact, diganye kuanere. Nyakundi. Injetinche tukubwati Matiang'i because intagete ninga kuchukurambwe. Nje na aja kubwati Matiang'i because intagete toteme kusena intunto tosayemeza na intunyole kandi tutira abana ketuarura. Yeah.
Obedio taba tanga koro pipeline Nairobi. Senator Onyonka tigata tebi obumaine. Abara koro gusiba bisire mayo ya Matiang'i. Ninki bakwirira omusi sai bamenyo kigo chia ase Munyoro batiyo murayo mukoro Kenyatta na Jubilee. Ninki barengeretie baro chia Munyoro anabakonya ase nyecho Kalonzo natagete abuwa Munyoro arorekanete go chia komoko boko orige kiro ekenene ke umurochi mwasirili ngai jerma kioni agenda nengenere ochiete airport kumurangelia nane rochete airport kumurangelia Matiang'i moko genderaiga andete yo mugotoira.
Number 1 namo tevi aganyaro lempatikie goje oneri umana gateniria kuranjiraba mbono tuwe panga inyangi tuwuchia mbono tukubeke bisudi bito ndiye wanza kumana ese mushi kuliboko mukungu izo wanaro usenga gachio raso ko yenda to banya.
Good morning, this is Justin Bogonko, Honorable Senator Onyonka. As your constituents, we respectfully ask what tangible actions have you taken in your oversight role that will qualify as a scorecard for possible transition to governor's position? What reports, audit, or interventions have you made public regarding county expenditure or service delivery? Or should we conclude that come elections time, we will simply vote based on family ties that word casting instead of performance?
A good question, but misplaced. Yeah, how can you ask me that you have not done oversight and yet? Surely, you know I'm one of the best people who have done this job. Number 2, when you are asking me, Tata, Chodi Simba Simba from whatever you want to do. You get? Mbua nkalenga na aboli ngatako iramari moyo mwaka ke saga nyagitari mate gali mwako lenga from 1951 agwana bagi tubuli mu family title jiro. I mean, how many times you see the role of a senator? I am not supposed to enda bono ko buli chuguni ngendo bya Simba ngaze wadenga Simba must go. I am an intelligent person. You tell him where the problems are. I have raised the issue. I have the evidence and the data. It's at the Senate. You see, I cannot come maybe. No. We handle that at the Senate. And the data has been coming out. County government, you got the 3 billion accounts. And other things, there are challenges. And yet, if you realize development expenditure, we see Yarule Kurwezo Ngwaje did 41%. Now we are at 58. Yakundi. Didn't you see that? Bonum Kingwene the Waka. Boliomor. Umondo Yogo Agrezim. Namanyita have been talking about TV interview. I've talked about how doctors are being harassed. I've talked about Munava Kolim in Owe County. But in a mess. Haven't I raised those things? No, you're stadium. These are fake workers. Humiliated in the stadium. What the fake documents. We see County, 800 people. What happened?
Kindly ask our Kiongozi about the other day Miguna's utterance to Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Which is?
That is one of those people who's not fit to hold public office because his performance in Akiarengu Mwaziri.
That is Miguna's opinion. I respect it. But I think other many Kenyans think Matiang'i is highly qualified to be president. Yeah. I mean, you see, Nyakundi, what I'm saying is this. Every in Tombiro during when a government runs, no, you'll this story about Dengaho, Pantumba Itatiala, Tuateva, Guara Radio Cobol. I think I let the evidence make a mess to be given the Tuatem, but I will with one. Kwanyako yundo ukwane into. Ataka skando okuruteruga abantu bale koranga kikere kwa muruteire akuga akumulisha nyusuka. We have said if anybody has anything against Mheshimiwa Fred, unaona mbuno maidiza qualified lawyer akiatalo panga na kole private prosecution defend. The law allows him to do that if he has the evidence. So these allegations again to Yokana Chite, and I said this and I've said it in public. When Miguna got arrested, there was a court order. That was a bad judgment call on Fred. And I'm sure Fred has already mentioned here and thank you. In fact, the other day I was telling him, rinde wao komera na miuna Canada orota wa hakroma lakini yomadengo mwana mituma rinde ga swala kora keroro bisinza chindo kweba mangana yokole. But the rest of those things, first of all, are in court. They want in, and why would that be the only reason why this guy cannot be a president? Because let me give you an example. Of course, we would not got the young on your to take side nine on your own tangent. So we got on the over it. She said,
he said, in that one thing, Maraga is good for that.
I have no problem Maraga being a president. Completely. But you see, I'm a practicing politician. Yeah, I know my realities. I know my realities. Can't you look at your realities? Yeah, and you that one the Nyakundingo Mondokuri years, so you are looking for angels who have never broken the law, have followed the 10 commandments, and in fact, no. I'm saying that sometimes we look for the better devil. We look for somebody who has experienced even or learned those mistakes and is willing to change for the better. My position is that from the experience Freddie had as President Uhuru Kenyatta, he learned a lot, and I know he cannot make the same mistakes.
Ask Senator Onyonka, there is the issue, by the way, wage bill. Now that you have said in Korea,
yes,
what are county governments not doing right to address a wage bill?
Because they are
the county because in the problem across.
The wage bill has increased because there are fake workers who are earning salaries which are not in the payroll list. That is what we are going to investigate next. Tell me, how many people have been employed in Kisii County for the last 3 years? They are not more than 51. Can I ask you that question, Yakundi? So, why is it that 51 people were increased? And why had left 41% of the wage bill? So, how is it that all of a sudden, from 41, you get 68? So, where is this money going? Wage bill? Investigate. And if you notice, the trend is the same. That is where I know university was okay.
That's why I'm asking. What the issue? No, I'm talking the issue. So we got a report about universal health workers.
Yes.
3,000.
Yes.
We're not even medical.
Absolutely.
Experts.
That is exactly what we do. That is what we do in our country. That is why you hear me say every time, the system is broken. Why is it that why is it that we have a county government, but we are not able to do biometric registration where it's everybody or colleague department? Why is that difficult? It is because that is where the money goes. Do you want me to tell you more?
Yes.
I'll tell you next time. She's a child. The Senate to go oversight the president.
I think fair enough.
Yes.
Today can come nice and chatgate my progress is in your
Thank you.
And
First of all, I wanted to say thank you. You notice that today I've really been in a very good mood because I love sharing this space with you, and I always admire your capacity and potential. Mintu mwanya getinge unachaga because ditangani nokubagarambia mono mwagatiro mwana minto mwamosegetire mwamosegire komositole konya komurustole binera ngora. I believe in the next 1 year Fred should be able now to conceptually understand everything. Yona algo de yo algo minto iga ta konya ko yama senga nkio monta kwandi nande ngotara kwana. O manyete ono president yetagete cheri gichwese abole wa munyoro abole Matiang'i abarusi so opposition yamade nyakundi rero ega akiba abanya saumo na teresi ole nyamataro alinka babu buliga Fred ya tigie kiroge kagende guchuinia serikali undangiri ni chai press conference ikiagera ebinta ba Kenya bamurengere tubuna bakomororo buna bamuroje irinariri bagatu atwari rumanye getinge litanya ko banande bo igese myaka 70
Fred got strategic osegaro
we have to be strategic. chikasi ni chiri yetu kurwari getunu njitageti obaworo kingayo bwate chinguru isaine obwate gesende ngabona nayo utarabo no isaine ngoma ide none chibuni na bopanga nonye ba ayibona uhulikerage wagutaka gwachiro komusi kwaroje kare twarenge airport china muswati uroba abayarenge beyo ogo chaba tuatagete kuvika chiroli rutani taoni ya neruchi gutara Matiang'i ruto masko vinde intageti umupira noro gochieza under the carpet komanya bana kwanyonse yako not rap.
When will you see action?
Most probably in the next 1 month. I think by Matiang'i Komi, the campaign will fully be loaded. You'll see even branded. You're going to see T-shirts. You're going to see poster. And these things, by the way, Fred Nerve and Tobacco and there'll come a time we are going to make a paybill number. All right. We have said, I'm going to pursue it. We'll see when the time comes. No, to 20 shillings. We'll ask so that to them and into Querivaga to Liurai will say Namaskani and the Twisigete. In other words, if you look at Yevin to Unava, we see Tokor and Unavan to Vago to Ravon, Unavan to understand it one, into Navan to one Twiska. No one yens Savunatoyagora. We need one to carry ourselves. No one of them have way to disagree in a war. Let us allow them. Diva bakwana namaskani na intitoa bakwana namaskani. Fave muinaria barobanya kwa everese because that